Hi, it's Beth Pantazzi, the Assistive Tech OT. I am here today to show you an extension that changes the font of websites to this OpenDyslexic font. It is an extension that you can add to Google Chrome, and there is also, I believe, a desktop version. This font was introduced to me from our local technology consortium, and I have used it with a student who has dyslexia, and she has reported to me that she feels like it has been very helpful for her. So I just wanted to show you how it works. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn this off here, and here is the Assistive Technology Industry Association website. And so if I go over here, here is the extension. If I enable it and save, you can see that the font changed. And the special thing about this font is it kind of weights the bottom to help see where the letter is in its proper orientation. So again, I will go ahead and turn it off, and you can see how it changes back. So this is something, like I said, that a student of mine who has dyslexia is using, and she really feels like it is very helpful for her. So it's definitely worth looking into. Again, the website is OpenDyslexic.org. Feel free to check it out if you have a student or client that you think it would be helpful for, and feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you may have. You can reach out on email at theassistivetechot@gmail.com or on Instagram at theassistivetechot. Thanks so much.